Hi, I would like to start by challenging all of you out there to build something better and give you an idea on how we may do it. I see many nations out there locked up in political binds, keeping them from moving forward in progress. I see many poor nations in desperate need of help. I think there's a way we can solve both of these problems. I want to design a new nation that will attempt to conquer the problems that plague the rest of the world. We will combine the best ideas from around the world and use those ideas to rebuild a poor nation that desperately needs help. This new nation will serve as an example of the best that we, as a world, can build. We help them and in the process learn how to help ourselves. I wish to do this project through a process I call for now, building a nation within a nation. This process begins by building a nation the size of a city inside the poor nation. This new nation will include a government, law, and economy, like any other nation. The new nation will slowly grow until it consumes the old nation. Everything in life starts small and grows. Even most nations started out small and grew larger over time, so why should rebuilding a nation be any different? The governmental structure over the project will include the old government, the new government, and a design team. The old government will run the old nation until the old nation is no more. A temporary government can be put in place if the old one has collapsed or been removed. The new government will run the newly growing nation. The design team will oversee the transition from old to new. They will work to design the new nation by bringing ideas in from around the world. They will present the ideas and problems of the newly created nation to the world. We are designing every part of this new nation. That means we will need experts from many fields to be a part of the design team. Examples: law, economy, medical, education, and construction. We want a nation that is fair, efficient, and eco-friendly. If we are going to do this, let's do it right. There are many reasons for doing this process. First is that you can't bring an all-out, sweeping change overnight, leaving millions of people in a state of confusion, leaving them to wonder what to do next, and what are these changes that have been brought on them. People want change, just not dumped on them in a rapid manner. You have to give them time to see what's coming, see how they fit in, and adapt. Giving them time to learn how to build and maintain what you have done. This will also give them a chance to have some say and be a part of the process of change. Second, it is better to work out problems with 100,000 people versus 100 million people. Meaning solve your problems while they are small, don't enlarge them. No sense in dumping a problem on more people than you have to. Third, you don't want to stretch your resources across an entire country, risking overwhelming yourself and collapsing the project. Next is that we are building a new, stronger nation. So as we go along with the process, it will reduce and maybe even eliminate the need for donations before it's even finished. Just starting small alone will save a fortune. Last, we want the world to have the time to learn and be a part of this project as well. This project will include a TV show that will allow the design team to present ideas and problems to the world. This will also allow people to watch and learn what it takes to build a nation. Another part of this project is the World Think Tank. This will allow the world to input their ideas and opinions. You never want to be short of ideas. Besides, if over 6 billion people can't figure out how to save themselves from themselves, then we probably don't deserve to exist as a species. But you do have to at least give that over 6 billion people a chance to have an opinion. I believe there are a lot of great ideas out there just waiting for a project like this. Everyone has an opinion on what they would do if they were running things. So let's hear it. How would you make the world a better place? What would you do if you were rebuilding a nation? This is just a small version of the idea for right now, so I guess I will see who steps up to the challenge. The last thing I would like to say is that I have spent the last several years trying to get this idea to Angelina Jolie. With no luck, of course, but that doesn't stop me from continuing to try. Anyway, thank you for watching. Remember, peace begins with you, each and every one of you, not just a few.